Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do a Pipsticks unboxing. Obviously, this is not a box, but you know. I also have some other stickers to show you guys that my aunt and uncle were nice enough to send me. So I signed up for Pipsticks probably like a month ago, and I have always seen their ads like on Instagram and stuff like that. But it was never something that I wanted to pull the trigger on. And yes, I am fully aware that this breaks my no sticker buying rule for this year. But let's be real. Sometimes you gotta do it. So also, I just really wanted to see what this was about. I figured it could be a one-time thing or, you know, can be an every month thing. So that's kind of the beauty of it, is that I can just kind of switch it up if I want to. So this, I think, is the May, like the May collection. Whatever the hell it's supposed to be for May. I think that's what this is. So in this pack, it shows you this little book that, my cats are chasing each other. It shows you that there's all these different kinds of stickers, and I think this would be really great if you're into like the, making like photo albums and stuff like that. Personally, I don't do that. Probably when I have kids at some point down the road, I'll look into doing that. But for right now, I don't really see the point. So there's also like this members checklist and blah, blah, blah. But yeah, so we'll see what's in here. So I kind of like that everything is supposed to be like 8-bit because it feels kind of nostalgic. And let's see what we got. Excuse me. So I just got this in the mail. Literally, well, I just checked the mail today, I should say. So first there are these rainbow hearts, which these are pretty cute. They kind of have like a Lisa Frank vibe, just a little bit, I feel like. And then, I guess these are all limited edition, but then there's these 8-bit alphabet letters, and there's also some numbers and stuff. This one, oh my God, this is really cute. So it's hollow, and there's like old school cell phones and phones in general. You got like Garfield, there's the duck phone. Did anybody watch Jersey Shore? Like, I was obsessed with Jersey Shore when I was younger. And then basically after they went to Italy, I was like, I'm done. And then there's all these really cute little pieces of stationery, which honestly, I remember these pencils where you would like take the lead out that you use and you'd put it in the top. Those, I never understood why. Like, just get a regular mechanical pencil, but this is really cute. And then you have these are supposed to be like the calculator watches. I never had one of these growing up because why would I? But I did have a kid in my class that had one of these, and I just thought it was so cool. And then there's these little stickers. Some of them are banners, some of them are just single icons. And this is actually really cute. Oh my God, that's adorable. Okay. Then there's this sticker, which is just like, remember those see-through phones? Yeah, that's adorable. You're going to hear me say that a lot. This, I like this a lot. This kind of reminds me of like, was it Reading Rainbow? Where they have the swoosh design like that. But it's all hollow and a bunch of stars. And then this is very much like before, maybe it was like, no, this is definitely during my time. Some of it might have been before, but shutter shades. And then, you have like the jelly shoes. Fun fact, so I had these jelly shoes and then my dad burned them and then I threw a tantrum for like 2 hours. So yeah, that's always fun. And then this one is like very Pac-Man inspired. So you have some of the ghosts and then you got what I would assume is supposed to be Pac-Man. And then oh, look at that. They have some of the bugs from Galaga. That's like honestly one of my favorite games ever. And then I guess that's supposed to be, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Is it supposed to be like snake? Or it's not millipede or centipede, but you guys know what I mean. Then you have this, which has like writing utensils. And then these are those like spiral things that you can make. I forget what these are called, but it's like you just continuously make spirals and they're like very geometric. It looks super cool. This, oh my God, this is right up my alley. This is gorgeous. This is definitely like Lisa Frank right here. I remember being so obsessed with Lisa Frank. Oh my God, this too. Look at that. Got like a really pretty unicorn. Yeah, that's adorable. Oh my God. Okay, so there's Polly Pocket. Excuse me. And then you have these, what the hell is this called? Like, I know what it is. I just don't remember what it's called. Silly String Trolls, which I always thought were weird. Bop It, back when it was still easy. And then you have like little Beanie Babies, Tamagotchi, of course, Game Boy. And then you have like the little thing with the what's it called? It's like the little needle things. These, I never understood why people wanted these. It's like that game where this is felt and then the ball is like Velcro and you try to catch it. I've never understood why people thought that was fun. And then this is really cute. This would be cute if you're like a teacher or something. Yeah, this is adorable. And then it's a nice little postcard. So I don't have anybody to send this to, but this is really cute. I like this. I honestly think that for the money, this is probably worth it. So I did get these on sale, like not the stickers individually, but I signed up for the Pro Sticker Club, the Classic, and I got a deal on it. So that's kind of why I went with this. And also because I wanted stuff that was a little bit more decorative. I have a lot of functional stickers, and for once I was like, you know what? Let's get something decorative. So now I'm going to show you guys what I got from my aunt and uncle. Excuse me. So first of all, they got me these really cute, really tiny kitty stickers. Like, look at, is that not the cutest thing ever? And there's a ton of them, so this is going to take me a while to get through. And then they also got me these budgeting stickers, which I'm really excited to use. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I could definitely use this for a couple of years because you can't hit all these goals at once, but I'm really honestly excited. So there you go. That is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And honestly, I'm really excited now because I think this came just in time for June. I mean, I'm not going to be filming my monthly plan with me just yet, but that's kind of what I'm thinking with all of this. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.